Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand arithmetic operations of a pointer. As you know that pointer is an address, so that's why it's a numerical value. By its numerical value we can perform so many arithmetic operations by using a pointer, or we can perform arithmetic operations in a pointer function. That's why let's open a code blocks, and today we will see arithmetic operation of a pointer as incrementing a pointer. For that, let's start with a new file. Now here first I am going to write down our header file, that is hash include stdio.h, and then let's open integer main function. So inside integer main function I am going to declare first of all one variable. Let's declare integer abc. So this is the free variable. First of all, so I am going to declare integer abc is equal to 3 and then a semicolon. We need this variable as a for iteration loop, and then I am going to declare my array. So let's declare array integer var, or we can give ARR, and then we are not putting any size because we have used a size of 3 only. So integer var equal to, let's put some values 10, 20 and 30. Now what we are going to do is we are going to perform the pointer function of these variables. So that's why we are getting the addresses of these variables by using our pointer, but in such a way to have a arithmetic incrementing operation on a pointer. So let's have one more integer I, and then here I am going to declare my pointer. So in same line I am going to use a asterisk sign and ptr. So this is the declaration of pointer with an integer I data type. After declaring that, let's have an array address to a pointer. So first of all we will define the pointer to the array address. So I am going to just simply write ptr is equal to ARR. This is one of the way to get the array addresses to pointer. After that we are going to print the same. Now here we are going to use a for loop. So here I am writing for loop. For I equal to 0, as we have given max size as a 3 as a ABC, then I will be less than 3 because the array starts with the index element as a 0, so it must be less than 3, and then I plus plus, and then open a bracket for loop. Inside for loop I am going to write down first of all printf the statement as address of variable. So address of variable which will be inside the array. So we will write down arr. Inside that we are going to write down %d. So this is the format of array. So address will be in a %x /n will provide for a new line character, comma I, comma pointer. So this %d is the ith element or of each element of the array, and then next will be the address of that will be defined by the pointer. So comma pointer, and after that one more printf statement will have output like the address and the value of that element. So that's why one more printf statement. So like we can write down value of that variable. This way we can write down. So that will be nothing but again same way %d, that will be the element of that array only, and that will be again in the integer format also /n, that is comma I, comma pointer. So here we are going to use asterisk pointer. So this way 2 lines we are going to print for each and every variable, that means for 10, for 20 and for 30. Let's have it more big. So we'll have a 200 and 300, and then we are going to move that pointer to the next iteration or to the next location by using ptr plus plus. So here we have used incrementing operator on the pointer. and after that, after finishing the loop of for loop, return 0. So this way we have used three variables inside a integer array, and then we are going to use a for loop for each and every address of that three variables. Let's save your file as increment.c. After saving this, we are going to build this file. Let's build finished with zero error. Good to go to run this file. So here you can see, first of all, the address of 0th element is this. The 0th element is nothing but the 10 of our array. Address of first element is this, which is the next, and then the first element is our 200. Address of second element is this, and value of second element, third element, that is array 2, because it starts with the 0 as index element, first index element, and that is nothing but our last element, that is 300. So here we have used the incrementing operator on a pointer. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.